Hello and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we are taking a closer look at the Ninja Food Chopper Express Chop with 200-watt, 16-ounce bowl. This product is the best Express Chop Elite available in the market. The Ninja Food Chopper is a versatile kitchen tool that can mince, chop, grind, blend, and assist in meal prep. With a 200-watt motor and a 16-ounce bowl capacity, it is perfect for various kitchen tasks. The limited edition color adds a touch of style to your kitchen. One of the key features of this food chopper is its easy-to-use design. Whether you're chopping vegetables, grinding nuts, or blending ingredients, this tool makes the process quick and efficient. The 200-watt motor provides ample blending power for all your culinary needs. The compact size of the Ninja Food Chopper makes it ideal for small kitchens or limited counter space. Additionally, it is dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze after use. The Ninja Food Chopper comes with a chopping blade, container, and lid, ensuring you have everything you need for your food prep tasks. The product dimensions are 1D×1W×1H, and it weighs 16 ounces. In conclusion, the Ninja Food Chopper Express Chop is a must-have kitchen tool for anyone looking to simplify their meal prep. Its efficiency, ease of use, and versatility make it a top choice for home cooks. Don't miss out on this incredible product that will truly elevate your kitchen experience. Thank you for watching Product Critique, and we'll see you next time with more insightful product reviews.